Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone black screen but still works. If your phone is stuck on a black screen and no interface is showing, so you just have to do a step, which is force restart your phone. So let's see how will you do it. You just have to quickly press the volume up button and then quickly volume down button, and after that just quickly hold the power button. So let's do it. The first volume up, then volume down, and then power button. And now you have to slide this to right side. Just slide it. And you can see I have successfully forced restart my phone. And after doing this, your phone will be able to use. And if it doesn't work quickly very first, so you just have to make couple of tries until your phone gets restarted. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.